We're here at this art restaurant and we've ordered some food. Got a grilled fish with vegetables. I might have got some noodles and a gado gado. So we have some gado gado and Mare's mie goreng ayam. This is shopping in Bali on the main street. Going shopping in Bali. Oh, look how sexy these shorts are with the leopard.
Oh.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna buy them. They're really beautiful.
Are you gonna wear them like that?
And they're
with
for
your,
$9.50.
with your...
Saya mau, saya suka. Yeah.
Like this?
Selepan 50,000 ya?
Ya, 95.
95. Okay, saya apa ini saja?
Satu saja.
Satu saja. That's it, finished. Only this one. So I just went shopping and bought a pair of shorts. Mara's going shopping. Let's see what Mara is. Hello, boss. Saya istri. Find anything good, Mara?
Checking.
Clothes shopping. Man, I should have bought these shorts. 95 cents. Oh, this top looks pretty Mara. I think this would look very nice on you. Ooh. Oh, Mara. I think it looks beautiful. Saya istri cantik.
Yeah, yeah.
Cantik, ya. Beautiful. Very beautiful. Shorts. Saya mau beli. Sudah? Bagus.
Bagus.
Kamu saya dijual itu 80.000.
Tidak.
80.000.
95.
95?
Iya.
Okay, no problem. We bought 3 avocados, oyster sauce, and some other sauces. Manis. Got some Balinese, Kentucky Fried Chicken, some KFC and rice. This is the Bali equivalent to the KFC 3-piece feed. 3 pieces of fried chicken. I got 2 rices and some sauce. No spoons, I'm gonna eat it with my hands. Mara, what did you get from the Indonesian KFC?
Chicken nuggets and French fries and a burger. We'll see how it is.
Yeah. Well, that's it from Kentucky Fried Chicken Indonesia. Tempe berapa nya?
4,000.
4,000. A Balinese fruit shop, gonna get some fruit and vegetables. It's on. Berapa nya dragon fruit?
25.
25 satu. Oh, kilogram?
Ya.
25 kilogram.
Ya, ya,
Okay.
ya.
Okay, satu dragon fruit. What else, Mara?
Papaya?
Papaya ada.
Ada.
Get some meat here in Bali. They either eat a lot of chicken or fish. Selamat sore.
Selamat siang.
Siang, saya mau satu ayam full. Cincang kecil. Cincang kecil.
Bukan cincang.
Ah, cincang kecil ya. Berapa ya kilogram ayam?
35.000.
35.000, oke.
Tiga. 2 kilo.
Kecil. Ya.
Ada yang 360, ada yang 415. Yang 360 kenapanya?
Only
Papaya and dragon.
I was 43 for all.
Yeah, the dragon's expensive. 15.
15?
Yeah. Terima kasih banyak. Semenka. Oke, 16. Berapa papaya?
Saya
15. Oke, no problem. Terima kasih banyak. Here at the fruit shop, and we want to buy some avocados. These very green ones here. But Mara and me love them, so I think we're gonna buy them. Let's go ask. Berapanya alpukat?
Alpukat 25.
25.
Oh iya.
250, oke. 250, Mara. Plastik. Plastik ada.
No plastik saya.
Saya mau plastik.
Berapa? Beli.
Satu besar plastik. Terima kasih banyak. Ini aja. Ya, ini aja. Ini aja.
Lima puluh delapan.
58.
Ya.
Oke. 58. 60.000.
Say hi.
Hey, hello Australia.
Hi,
Hello. Okay. I want to get some milk in Bali. Me and Mara drink a lot of milk. We put it in smoothies, and this is all the milks they sell. Full cream milk, but the cheapest one is Pure Farm. $1.60 a liter. Sini saya laundry. Saya mau laundry.
Laundry saya di sini.
Ini Mara.
Oh, darling. Can you put it up?
Oke, berapa harga itu laundry? Tuh ada botnya tuh.
Dengan
Hah?
18.
18. Oke, 18.
Martin suka barang antik.
Martin.
Suka barang antik. Relax antik.
Antik, suka para antik. Oh. Kamu dijual itu antik.
Hanya furniture di sini.
Oh.
Buat
Decorations. Ya. Banyak cantik. Banyak. Ya, ya. Oke, bye bye. Bye bye. See you.